afternoon of fun and frivolity. We got the tank in. Dylan and his brother-in-law Kia helped me get it off the trailer, and then they had to get to work, go do some stuff, and so I came back up and put this in place. It was not fun. I'm a terrible operator, but it's in. We'll have about 7 feet of water if it's able to come up to the brim, and I don't know. Dylan says no. I think that there's a chance. There's a lot of pressure behind this spring heading uphill here, so it might be the easiest route for the water to go. Don't know enough about hydraulics to be able to say. All right.